You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. It's what I like about you.
Welcome back to another episode, guys. Yes, I've got my flanny on. We have had a dramatic drop in temperature. It is currently 16 degrees. How good is the scenery? Absolutely loving it. And you know what? We're not even complaining about the drizzly weather. We have not had rain for months. Our travels have been sunshine, humidity and wet season. So we're really looking forward to this episode. Complete change. So sit back, see where we're going to end up. And I'm pretty excited for our next lot of adventures. This, we even get guided into our little site. Good morning, guys. Wow, what happened to us yesterday? Well, it didn't reach much more than 18 degrees. We were so cold. We literally didn't do much. We did a little bit of cleaning in the Yeti van. We gave Brucey a big clean. We went into the main town and got a few supplies. Then we came back, bunkered down. We even got this out. We were so cold. It was freezing. Okay, we are gonna rug up. We're gonna get the coffees going and we are heading out on adventures today. So let's get going. Let's see what we can find around Atherton. And it should be a good day. I think the sun is just popping out, but there's some really nasty storm clouds as well. But who's complaining? We're on adventures, so let's go. We are loaded up for our morning adventures. Oh, actually, it's an all-day adventure, I reckon. What's our temperature?
17 degrees.
It is cold, cold, cold. As I said, we've got our coffees. You've done the mapping.
Done all the mapping.
I think we've got a full day.
Pretty much. Some waterfalls, cheese farm, national parks.
Sounds good. Don't tell them too much. Sit back, wait and see. Let's go. Big Brucey's ready.
Okay.
We've got to fuel up. He's thirsty. We found some information. Well, we've worked out that it's called the Mount Hypipamee National Park.
Correct. And there are two walks here. One is to the crater and another one is called Dinner Falls.
Dinner Falls, that sounds pretty good.
So we're going to check these two out this morning.
Absolutely. We have got our gear on in case, well, you guys, we're Jeeps Adventures, but we are part of Brisbane Jeep Club Incorporation. It's an awesome club. They do a lot of events as well, so check those guys out. And hi to all our friends back home. Remember, when you buy a Jeep, you get a family with it. All right, let's press on, see what we can find. We have heard that there could be cassowaries here as well. So those of you overseas watching us, yes, Australia is, well, they always say we're the deadliest country, don't they?
Just think of a cassowary as a velociraptor.
Well, there you go. So I am so keen to see a cassowary because last time we were up here in the tropics, we actually went to two places that said there was cassowaries and we couldn't find any. So eyes are peeled today. Hopefully we'll find one. And
they actually attack humans if they become threatened. What they do is they launch themselves and they've got claws. So they actually go for your torso and stomach, and the claws are huge, so they basically try to rip your guts out.
Yeah, but what about that big thing on their head? It's like a bloody...
That's a bone.
Yeah, but it's huge. So yeah, looking out for the cassowaries. This is World Heritage Rainforest, And this is also the start of the Barron River.
So it's not just a hole in the ground. This crater is 130 meters deep to the bottom and 73 meters deep to the waterline. The waterline is filled with duckweed, so it's a freshwater crater, and the duckweed supports a thriving population of shrimp that's found nowhere else in the world.
Was that? That was the lower Dinner Falls, and then back around to the other top section of the Dinner Falls. It's a little bit of an uneven track getting down, but I'm going to say, yeah, just some sand shoes. We've got our hiking boots on today because it's a bit wet, but yeah, definitely worth the walk and absolutely stunning. Water holes you can swim in. I'm so sad that I can't swim today, but you know what? It's still sitting at 16 degrees, so there's absolutely no chance I'm going in there. There is a small day use area here. There is no barbecue facilities, however there are a few picnic tables, there is some water and toilets as well. So yeah, you could also bring your picnic, I guess, or we're just going to have some morning tea and then carry on with our adventures. So we just travelled on the highest road in Queensland. So what was its elevation?
1,162 meters.
There you go. Fun fact of the day, and such beautiful scenery as well.
I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
The Mila Mila lookout, definitely worth it. How beautiful was that? It's an easy stop off on our way to the Mila Mila Falls. So we've just pulled into the Mila Mila Falls, sounding pretty close, pretty excited. Creek, and on the other side of this is so we're at Zilly Falls. We left Mila Mila Falls, and you just actually do the waterfall circuit. It's pretty easy. It's probably about not even 5-10 minutes drive here, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's probably about 10.
Yeah, about 10-minute drive. The car park's across the road and it's an easy walk into the falls. We've allowed a whole day for our scenic drive around the falls circuit, but I'm going to say I reckon you could do it in a half a day. Hey matey, what are you doing? You want to come in Bruce? What did you say? You want to go wheeling? Alrighty, you just have to hop in the back. You're having to think about it. Come on. We're going to have lunch now. You want to have some lunch?
Chicken sandwiches.
What do you want for lunch? We're going to have chicken wraps. See you, buddy. Yep, bye. Catch you later. We've had a brilliant day. What was our top?
20 at the moment.
We did get to, I'm going to show you. Officially, we are in Atherton. We did get to a top of 20. We've had an awesome day doing the waterfall circuit.
Yep.
The only thing that Dave did mention this morning was the cheese factory, dairy. Unfortunately, it wasn't open, but guess what? Part 2 at Atherton, you're going to have to wait for next week. So stay tuned for that one. We hope you've loved the waterfalls as much as we have. I'm going to give it 10 out of 10. Actually, no, 9, because I couldn't go swimming. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're loving our adventures.
Yep.
And if you are, give us a thumbs up, flick us a comment, and guess what? See you next week at Atherton. You got to do that too. See you guys.